Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Revi of Skybelle Beauty. I'm a YouTuber and a makeup artist based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. If this is your first time, you're welcome to the family. We are a happy, fun family, okay? If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Smash the button right here. Yes, just smash it. And yeah, so today's video is on this look I have on right now. It's a simple eye look, gold lids and smoky eyes on the outer corner for an everyday look, or to work, to school, you know, just when you're feeling, I'm feeling myself. Sorry guys. So this look I created for you guys. If you want to see how I achieve it, then keep on watching. I'm gonna bye. Alright guys, so I've already done my eyebrows off camera. All the products used will be listed down in the description bar below. So let's start off on this look. I'm going to be using my Morphe 3502 palette today, and this is what it looks like, guys. Using a fluffy brush like this, I'll just take a little bit of that shade and work it into my crease. On the outer corner, I'll be mixing these two shades right here. It's called Rich and Brunette, just to darken the outer V, you know, and give my crease a bit more definition. So I will just be placing that color only on the outer V. To darken the edge even more, I'll be taking this shade called Whiz from the same palette, and I'll be using a separate blending brush. Just tap very lightly, because the black in this palette is very pigmented, guys. So I'll be putting that only on my outer V. To soften everything out, I'll be going back in with the first shade we applied, which is Brick. Taking the same brush I used earlier, I'll just blend out everything. For my lid color, I'll be taking a bit of my NYX Jumbo pencil just to give my eyelid color something to stick to. Lastly, to complete the look, I'll be taking this bright shimmery shade. It's called Contour. It's called Pure, and I'll be applying that all over my lid. Since we're going for a very soft and simple, quick, everyday look. For my eyeliner, I'll be using the Milani Liquid Eye-Tech Extreme. Hey, the name is long. Oh. Eye-Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner. It's just eyeliner. So I'll be lining my eyes. For my lower lash line, I'll be using the Jordana eye pencil, and it's the easy retractable pencil in the shade Eggplant. It's a purple shade. I don't think you can see that, but it's a purple shade, almost black. I just broke the pencil. Lash line, I'm taking the blush shade from the Zaron eyeshadow palette, the Firecracker blush duo palette, and I'll be smudging that using a fluffy brush on my lower lash line. And I'll be going back in with the same blending brush I used earlier. I'll be smudging that on my lower lash line as well. For my face primer, I'll be using the Porefessional by Benefit. Foundation, I'll be taking my Zaron Healthy Glow foundation. I'm in the shade FZ20 and I'll be applying that all over my face. I'll be blending it out using a brush. So guys, I reviewed the Zaron Healthy Glow foundation. If you have not seen that video yet, you can check it out. It's just 2 videos behind this one. In fact, I got a couple of Zaron products and I reviewed them on that particular videos. To highlight my face, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm in the shade Cool Tan, and I'll just be applying that in the areas where I would normally highlight. And to contour my face, I'll be using my Black Opal Stick Foundation. Taking a damp beauty blender, I'll be blending out the contour and the highlights. We're going for a light, simple, everyday, quick look. We're not going to contour and highlight too harsh. It's just going to be very simple, very soft, something you can just do on the go and you're out the door. So this is what it looks like. Next, I'll be setting my face using my Nye Banana Powder as per usual. I'll be setting my contour using a Zaron loose powder. It's in the shade LZ20. My fluffy brush, I'm just wiping off the excess powder. And for all over my face, I'll be using the Zaron loose powder. My correct shade is LZ20. I'm using that all over my face. For my mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara for my top and bottom lashes. For lashes, I'll be applying the Voan Beauty lashes. It's the 5-in-1 pack. I'll do that off camera and I'll be right back. I love how this came out. Okay, so I'm back, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is applying my Milani liquid lipstick. It's the Amore matte lip cream in the shade Loved. And to line my lips, I'm using the Jordana eye pencil in the shade Eggplant. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Very simple, and you can create this for an everyday look, to school, to work. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, we are growing. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below letting me know what looks you'd like me to film in the future, or any questions you might have. And remember, to thy own self be true. Alright, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and bye.